Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to set up DAMA protocols. This tutorial video will start on an open Disease Administration and Management Assistant screen. For more information on how to navigate to the DAMA screen, please refer to the DAMA Overview user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Add button to add a new protocol. Protocol name is a description of what the protocol is for. Description is the additional details regarding the protocol. Color allows the practitioner to easily identify the protocols. Colors can also be used to group similar protocols together and to navigate to the desired protocol easily. Click on a color field to add a color to the protocol. The color selector will open. One of the following methods can be used to select a color. Click on a color on the color bar. Click on a desired color to make a selection. Click on a dropper tool and navigate to the color of choice to select the desired color. The dropper tool can be used to select any color on the screen. Click on a respective RGB color field to enter the color codes if known for the desired color. Press the enter key on the keyboard to use the selected color. The color will fill the block. Please note, if you don't save the change that you have made, the colors will revert back to the last colors that were saved by you, and the colors that have been cleared will not be removed. Auto Add Protocol is the method of how the protocol will be added to the patient's file. Click on the Auto Add Protocol drop-down menu to select an appropriate option. Select an option from the list that has become available. Auto Add Protocol will automatically be added to the patient when the linked ICD10 code of the protocol is used. For more information on how to add a DAMA protocol to a patient, please refer to the Add a DAMA Protocol to a Patient user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Choose Default State drop-down menu to select an appropriate option. Please note the states will need to be set up before a default state can be chosen. For more information on regarding setup of states, please refer to the DAMA States user manual linked in this video's description. Now we will go over the Auto-Link Previous Patients. Auto-Link Previous Patients automatically creates a connection between the patient and a DAMA protocol using the pre-selected ICD10 or procedure code. Click on the Auto-Link Previous Patients button to link patients who have not been linked to a protocol previously and who have been diagnosed and billed with the relevant ICD10 or procedure code. The Auto-Link Previous Patient screen will open. Auto-link from the date from which all the patients who have been billed and diagnosed with the specific ICD10 code will be linked to the protocol. Click on the Auto-link Previous Patients field to open the date picker. Click on a desired date to make a selection. Please note the date that is selected by default will always be today's date. Auto Add State is a state that the protocol will automatically be in once the protocol is added to the patient. Click on the Auto Add State drop-down menu to select an option from the list that becomes available. Please note the options that will appear on the Auto State drop-down menu will be dependent on the states that the user has been set up for that specific protocol. Click on the Cancel button to cancel the request and return to the Disease Administration and Management Assistant screen. Click on the Link button to link all the patients that meet the set criteria to the protocol. A notification will appear to advise how many patients have been linked to the protocol. Please note the Auto Link Previous Patients button will only be available on a fully completed and saved protocol. When the protocol has not been saved yet, the button will be grayed out. You are able to choose the ICD10 codes that they would like to add to the specific protocol. Click on the plus button in the ICD10 code selection to add ICD10 diagnosis codes to the specific protocol. The ICD10 Builder screen will open. Click on a Search ICD10 field to start typing the name or code of the desired diagnosis code. The list will shorten according to the information that has been entered. Click on a desired ICD10 code. The ICD10 code will be added to the Added Code List section of the ICD10 Builder screen. Please note more than one ICD10 code can be added to the list. Click on the Trash Can button to remove the corresponding code from the list. Click on the Close button to close the ICD10 Builder screen and return to the Disease Administration and Management Assistant screen without applying any changes. An attention pop-up will appear to advise you that you might have unsafe changes and if you like to exit anyway. Click on the Cancel button to ignore the request to close without saving changes and return to the ICD10 Builder screen. Click on the OK button to exit the screen without saving. Click on the Save button to keep and add the selected ICD10 codes to the ICD10 code section of the Administration and Management Assistant screen. The selected ICD10 codes will be added to the ICD10 code section. Click on the X button to remove the corresponding ICD10 code from the protocol. Adding specific procedure billing codes to a protocol allows the practitioner to pre-select the items that will link the patient to a specific protocol. Click on the plus button in the procedure code section to add procedure and billing codes to the specific protocol. The billing item search screen will open. Click on the search field and start typing the name or code of the desired billing code. The list will shorten according to the information that have been entered. Click on a desired billing code from the list. The selected billing code will be added to the Added Code List section of the billing item search screen. Please note that more than one billing code can be added to the list. Click on the Trash Can button to remove the corresponding code from the list. Click on the Close button to close the billing item screen and return to the Disease Administration and Management Assistant screen without applying any changes. An attention pop-up will appear to advise you that you might have unsafe changes and if you would like to exit anyway. Click on the Cancel button to ignore the request to close without saving changes and return to the billing item search screen. Click on the OK button to exit the screen without saving. The changes that were made will be lost. The attention pop-up will close and return to the billing item search screen. Click on the Save button to keep and add the selected billing codes to the Procedure section of the Administration and Management Assistant screen. The selected ICD10 codes will be added to the Procedure section. Click on the Trash Can button of the new protocol to delete the entire protocol. All changes that have been made will be deleted. Please note to use the Trash Can button with caution, as the protocol will be removed from the list automatically without warning. Click on the Save button to save the changes that have been made to the newly created protocol. The Disease Administration and Management Assistant screen will close and return to the Cash Register Management screen.